Storms rolled across the state. Neighbors and one South Arkansas community dealt with heavy flooding. You see it right there. They say it's preventable. KRK4, Susan Elcory in Monticello, where homeowners think they found the source, but not the solution.
Yeah, this all comes down to a drainage issue. Neighbors tell me when it rains, these ditches fill with water, but they can't handle it. Now they want the city to step in and bail them out.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
When it rains, it floods outside Bridget Freeman's home.
Don't none of us want to go through this. This is crazy.
As the water rises, so does her concern.
I can't swim.
Spilling over to frustration.
It made a sinkhole in my yard.
Knowing she can't control what's happening in her Monticello neighborhood.
My whole block is flooded. So how is it my problem?
At its worst, neighbors tell me water comes to the top of this post, but the real problem lies with the culvert, which they say isn't cutting it.
This is not my problem. This is the city of Monticello, Arkansas problem.
The city claims it can't bail out the street, but a proposed ordinance could change that, giving them the right to clean up culverts on private property.
What are we going to do?
Questions that keep pooling up the longer it takes for a solution.
I just need this taken care of. That's all I want.
The mayor tells me city council will be taking up that issue later this month. Until that happens, though, neighbors hope the water won't keep rising. In Monticello, Susan Elcory, back to you.